Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to claim Temu $100 discount bundle, right? As well as there's a flash sale going on. So I will just give you the promo codes which you can use it. So make sure you watch this video till the end. You can apply this over if you're using a Temu mobile application as well as just your purchasing product from the website, right? So here in some cases you will get a notification that there is a $100 bundle if you're not getting this. No worries. Right here you can see this is the lightning deal, so you will able to see this, and here you can see that there is a great discount which is going on here, right? Which is around 90% discount, which is 78% discount, and there's a lot of things, right? You can just go here and you can select any one of the product, and this is a bonus coupon. You will usually find it here, so you can also get it here, and in this way I can just get $100, right? So as you can see here, this is how I got it. I mean, every time you will swipe, every time you will get $100 coupon bundle. You can just go and click on get it now, and here it says that scan to download for the app new user gift. So make sure you can scan this and you can just download it and you will get it. Now one more thing guys, let me show you. For example, there's a product which I want to buy, so let's say this is a product here. Okay, and here just go and click on add to cart, then just go to the click on checkout here, right? Okay, so here in the checkout, now in the coupon code I've already applied, so maybe this time it will not work, but in your case it can work. So you have to just write here act 200019 and just go and click on apply. Maybe it can start working on it again. So this coupon cannot be redeemed and used in the Temu app. So here you can try it by yourself, right? And just go and click on apply coupon code here, and same thing here, ACP, right? And here this is 856709. Try to apply this up. I've already used, so I'm not able to do this. Limit one coupon per purchase, so we can only use this. You can try this up, and this is if you just get this $100 a bundle, automatically you will get this. You can see here that I'm just receiving it here, right? So this is it guys. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.